Welcome to the channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing video and I will unbox this package. So I ordered this a couple of weeks ago and I got it a couple of weeks ago and I haven't had time to open it for one reason. I just wanted to do an unboxing on this one. But before we get doing that, we will be back after this message. Welcome back, guys. Let's get into this video, shall we? Okay, let's open this and see what we have. And I always like to do these unboxing videos. So for today I need my folder. This one is really sharp, by the way. So I'm gonna be very careful. I don't wanna destroy anything inside this package because that would suck terrible if I did. But anyway, let's open it and see what we have. I love this. I love to open these packages I get. I have ordered two. So we open it nice and careful, okay? And remember, don't cut yourself. That would suck definitely if you did. Now I put this blade back in where it belongs. And I will pull this aside. And I will put this in the garbage bin because I don't need it. And I ordered a paper. I get into that later. Okay, it's, information notice. But here it is. This is actually an emergency toilet folding, and when you use garbage bags, black garbage bags for this one. And this one, it says you can stand on it without breaking this, so it's really awesome. And I don't want to unwrap this. It's nice and protected by behind this plastic, so until I'm gonna use it. So you can use this for as maybe a camping toilet, and when the power goes down, actually you fold this up and then you set things up and put the plastic bag inside and do what you think and do your thing, and well, do your business, and then put the lid down. And it is a cube shape on this when you unfold this. So, and it also waterproof, obviously, or water resistant, so that is good actually. So this one was pretty expensive, but I think it's worth it. And the plastic it is made of seems to be really sturdy and durable, so I can't complain. So you fold this up and then you have the toilet. So this one cost me 890 crowns, I believe. I don't remember. But I ordered this from a company called compassnature. And they had it. And my wife saw this and hey, aren't we need emergency toilet? Yeah, I said we really need one because we don't have any. And the decent size, you can stack this away until when you need it. So that's good. So a black garbage bag and some cat litter on top of that. That will do the thing. So nice, easy, and lightweight, which is good. I don't remember what size this is, but I might get them later. So I'm happy that I bought this one, and I think this will come in handy in an emergency or for other reasons when you can't use your toilets, because it doesn't mean that the grid goes down or anything like that, but it could be some other issues that means you can't use your toilet or are not allowed to use the toilet, because you can make the issue even worse if you do. So, but anyway, as a prepper, this is good stuff to have, good item to have. As I said, this was pretty expensive. There you can buy cheaper ones too that work really well too. But my wife thought that we should have this one. So I said, okay, we buy it. And I did. So I'm happy with it. And it looks like this on the back. So this is probably the lid. So yeah. What do you think, guys, about having a portable emergency toilet of this model? I never seen anything like this before, so this type of emergency toilet is new to me. So what do you think, guys? Please let me know in the comments. And actually, I think this is a good item I bought for the price, and I believe this will hold up very well, and you can stand on it. But I don't want to try that, because if they say you can stand on it, you might not should do it, because you might break it. And it doesn't say how much weight this can handle either if you stand on it. So, but these are used to sit on, made for to be sitting on, not stand on. But they say you can stand on it, but I wouldn't do it, because I don't know how, if it would hold up or anything like that. That's all for today's video, guys, and I will see you in the next one. And thank you for watching and your support. I appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I will get back to you as soon as I can. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos and go live. So that's all, guys. I will see you in the next one. Take care, stay safe, be prepared, be part of the solution, not the problem. Shadow Scout Swede, out.